In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new worksheets in Microsoft Excel. Creating a new worksheet in Microsoft Excel is a simple but essential skill that every user should know. Whether you're starting a fresh project, organizing data into separate tabs, or preparing multiple reports, knowing how to quickly create new worksheets will help streamline your workflow and keep your spreadsheets organized. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and ensure that you have the application ready on your screen. The process for creating a new worksheet starts by accessing the File tab, located at the top left corner of the Excel window. The File tab opens what is known as the Backstage view, which is the central hub for managing your Excel workbooks, including opening, saving, and creating new documents. Once you're in the Backstage view, look for the New option in the menu. Clicking on New will display several choices, including the option for a blank workbook. Selecting a blank workbook gives you a fresh worksheet with no pre-existing data or formatting, allowing you to start your project from scratch. This is especially useful if you want full control over the layout and structure of your data. After clicking on the blank workbook option, Excel will immediately open a new worksheet for you. You can now begin entering data, creating formulas, or customizing the worksheet to fit your specific needs. This process is straightforward, efficient, and ensures that you can quickly add as many new worksheets as your project requires. Understanding how to create new worksheets is a basic but crucial step in mastering Excel. By using the File tab and selecting New, you can start fresh projects, separate information into multiple tabs, and keep your workbooks well organized. This not only saves time but also helps maintain clarity when handling multiple datasets within the same file. With this simple technique, you can confidently create new worksheets whenever needed, allowing for a more organized and efficient Excel experience. It's a small skill that has a big impact on productivity and makes managing spreadsheets much easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.